And moving on, then, US President Joe Biden unveils a $7.3 trillion budget. Biden's budget for the 2025 fiscal year, which starts this October, includes raising the corporate income tax rate to 28%. That is forcing those with wealth of $100 million to pay at least 25% of their income in taxes. Deficit is expected to hit 6.6% of the GDP this year before falling to 3.9% over the next decade. Federal debt is also expected to narrow considerably over the next decade.
Well, and shifting focus to the key macro data that markets will be eyeing later today, the US inflation for the month of February. Now, rising gasoline prices likely put a floor under inflation in February, potentially reinforcing the Fed Reserve decision to take a go-slow approach with interest rate reductions. According to street estimates, prices across a broad spectrum of goods and services have risen 0.4% on the month, just ahead of that January pace for 0.3%. On a year-on-year basis, when you look at it, headline inflation is expected to show a 3.1% gain and core inflation a 3.7% increase as well.
On to earnings then. Computer tech giant Oracle shares soared almost 13% in extended trading after delivering better than expected Q4 earnings. Cloud services and license support segment logged a 12% increase in sales. The company attributed the rise to strong demand for its artificial intelligence servers.
Well, and yet another record high for Bitcoin. That was higher by 3%, topping that $72,000 mark. Remember, it was just last week that Bitcoin had hit a new record in volatile trading for the first time since 2021, before more subdued trading took over the weekend.